Hello, and welcome to week 9 Coming Attractions. First of all, a big apology. This should have been up last Monday, not today. But at least this is going to give you an opportunity to go back, look at each of the coming attractions, and make sure you're on track. So, week 9, in research, you were working on surveys. Now, most of you are not anywhere near surveys. Don't worry. Just know that around week 13, we have to have you positioned. It's going to take some time to get results on your surveys. It is important to start pushing forward. So you have your lit review in play. Now you got to start doing something about the methods section. And that we are going to start to cover in our informal conversation on Tuesday night. So I hope you'll bring your questions and concerns. And as far as week 9 was concerned, it was how do you design a survey or questions for an interview that are going to get the information that you need. You had some readings about questionnaires, and there was also one about SurveyMonkey, which is incredibly helpful. You have 2 videos. Week 9, there was no discussion. Simply prepare a consent form and do your first draft of your survey. If you're not there, don't worry. I'm working with you, and I know we will get you where you need to be. So that is all there is for week 9. I hope that you're feeling like you're moving forward. Remember, start to extend your visits with me. Like maybe next week it needs to be an hour and a half, or maybe next week we have a couple. Let me know what I can do so I can help you. But week 12 is really where you should have your results in so we can start to bring things together. Remember, there's only 15 weeks in this class. Thank you so much. I hope you have a wonderful day. Talk soon. Bye.